Hello everyone, and welcome to this 30 lessons beginner English learning course. If you are new to English or if you want to build a strong foundation, this course is perfect for you. Let me tell you how it works. We will have 3 lessons every week, on Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Each lesson will be around 10 minutes long. You will learn step by step, starting from greetings and introductions, and moving to daily life conversations, shopping, travel, and more. After each lesson, you should practice at home until the next class. This way, you will remember more and improve faster. By the end of this course, you will be able to speak simple English confidently. Talk about yourself, your family, and your daily routine. Use English in real-life situations like shopping, traveling, and meeting new people. Have short conversations with anyone in English. So remember, Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. New English lesson. Practice on the other days. Now, let's begin with lesson 1. Greetings and introductions. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning lesson. If you are a beginner in English, this video is just for you. We are going to learn how to greet people, introduce ourselves, ask simple questions, and make short conversations. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to say hello in different ways. Introduce yourself clearly. Use basic phrases for everyday life. And practice a short conversation in English. So, let's get started. Part 1. Greetings. In English, greetings are very important. They help us start conversations and make people feel comfortable. The most common greetings are hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Repeat after me. Hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Notice, good morning is used from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. Good afternoon is used from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. Good evening is used after 5 p.m. Practice with me. You meet your friend at 9 a.m. What do you say? Good morning. You see your teacher at 3 p.m. What do you say? Good afternoon. You meet your neighbor at 8 p.m. What do you say? Good evening. Very good. Part 2. Asking and saying names. Now let's learn how to ask someone's name. The question is, what is your name? You can also say, what's your name? Short form. The answer is, my name is. Or simply, I'm. Example. What's your name? My name is Sarah. Repeat after me. What is your name? My name is David. I'm Anna. Practice together. I will ask, what's your name? You answer with your own name. Great job. Part 3. Saying nice to meet you. When we meet someone for the first time, we say, nice to meet you. The other person can reply, Nice to meet you too. Example. A. Hi, I'm David. B. Hello, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. A. Nice to meet you too. Now, repeat with me. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Part 4. Small talk. Asking how are you? After greeting, we usually ask, how are you? This shows we are polite. The answers can be, I'm fine, thank you. I'm good. I'm great. I'm okay. I'm not so good. Example. A. Hello, how are you? B. I'm fine, thank you. And you? A. I'm good, thanks. Let's practice. I ask, how are you? You answer, I'm fine, thank you. How are you? Good job. Part 5. Short conversation practice. Now let's put everything together. Here's a short conversation. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you? Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good. What's your name? I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Anna. What's your name? My name is Anna. What's your name?
I'm David. Nice to meet you. I'm David. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Part 6. Mini quiz. Before we finish, let's do a quick quiz. What do you say when you meet someone at 10 a.m.? How do you ask someone's name? What do you reply if someone says, nice to meet you? Good morning. What is your name? Or, what's your name? Nice to meet you too. Excellent. You are learning fast. That's all for today's English lesson. You learned how to greet people, introduce yourself, ask names, and say, nice to meet you. Practice these phrases every day with your friends or family. The more you practice, the better you will become. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who want to learn English. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.